Hey everybody, welcome back. I need a parting tool or a Badan tool, so I'm going to make one. I've got a piece of myrtle wood here, probably inch and a half square by, I don't know, 12 inches. Brass ring that I use for my duck calls, and some 1/4 inch high-speed steel tool stock. So I'm just going to make like a single bevel Badan tool. This thing is really sharp right now. I ground it down already, but anyway, that's what we're going to do today. Stick around. Hope you like it. Hey everybody. Before we get going on this, I got a sticker from Mike over at Scenic City Woodturning. Great channel, great guy, lots of talent over there. So go check out Mike over at Scenic City. I'll have links down in the description box below. Thanks for the sticker, Mike. Appreciate you, brother. Thank you. Anyway, let's see if we can spin it out. All right, next we've got this all round out. It's drilled out for the tool stock. We need to determine this diameter. So we've got that. We'll get this turned down. I'll probably use my square small carbide cutter for it. So anyway, that's what we're doing. Alright, we've got our diameter for the brass ring determined here, so we just need to do a width. I like to go a little proud with this side. I can always trim that back. Let's check our fit. Okay, we need to take that down just a hair. Can always take it off, can't put it back. Alright, we get that determined. We've got our hole drilled for our tool. Like I said, I like to add a groove or two in there. Just to give, when you push that ring on there, it gives the glue or epoxy, whatever you're using, somewhere to go. So anyway, doesn't have to be nothing major. Just a couple rings in there. There we go. Now we can just kind of go with our shape, whatever we're going to go with. So anyway, like I said, it's just a parting tool. Doesn't have to be fancy. So I'm gonna look at that, see what I want, see how long I need it, and we'll be back when I start shaping that. All right, we got that cleaned up. We'll give that a while, let that set up for maybe an hour or so, and then we'll get this back on the lathe. So anyway, come together. All right, we've got it back on the lathe. Let's get ready to do a little bit of shaping on it. Like I said, it's a parting tool, so it's not going to be much. That's had plenty of time to dry on there, the brass. So anyway, let's get to shaping this thing a little bit. Well, folks, there it is. 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch tool stock, high speed steel, copper band, myrtle wood. Let this set up. Can't wait to try it out. So anyway, hope you guys liked it, man. Thanks for watching. Thanks. I know this is just a quick tool making video, but hey, if you stuck around till now, thank you. Appreciate you. Thanks for everything. Stickers. Go check out Mike at Scenic City Wood Turning I'll have his link to his social media and stuff down below. So anyway, there it is. Hope you like it. I still got some touch-up stuff on the bottom, but other than that, should be pretty cool. Anyway, I'm babbling. So thanks, guys. We'll see you later. You know the rules. Like, share, subscribe if you want to. So see you on the next one. Bye.